Whoa.
Smell it. Smell it. You like the way it smells?
Coño, te voy a dar una patada por el culo, compadre.
What happened?
Fuck you, motherfucker.
Relax, bro. Just de-escalate the situation.
No, you say motherfucker. Get out of here.
Get the hell out. How about you get the hell out?
Put on your motherfucker.
Yeah.
Fuck you.
Oh. You ever just tuck one away in the trash? I know you like it. Come get one. Come take a smell. I'm coming. I'm coming. Stay here, stay here, stay here. Right here, right here, right here. Smell it. What do you mean, hell no? You ever played like a scary game before? This is like the scary game where the guy comes and farts on you. Would you be down to help me just get a few snaps in? Because tomorrow I got a big game for States. Green 18, check man, check man. Sit. Oh.